How to advertise your Shopify store for free, TikTok organic traffic. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can advertise your Shopify store for free. Now advertising your Shopify store for free using TikTok's organic traffic can be cost effective. Ways to reach a large audience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So first thing first, you know the drill, check your internet connection and then update your application. After updating your application, log in into your TikTok account. So basically you'll need to create a TikTok business account. Now if you don't already have one, create a TikTok business account. It will give you access to analytic and promotional features. So then to create a TikTok business account, you'll need to go to your profile. After that, tap on the three dot icon located right on top and go to settings and privacy. Once you're on this page, go to account, and on this page you can see there is the feature as switch to business account. You'll need to enable, or you need to follow the prompt and you'll be able to create TikTok business account. Apart from it, you can also use your shop's name as your TikTok username and choose a profile picture that represents your brand. Write a consigns and engaging bio with a link to your Shopify store. Now TikTok is a platform that thrives on creativity and engaging shorts video. Now create content that showcase your products, sells your brand story, or entertains your target audience. Use TikTok video editing tools and effective to make your content stand out. You can also use trending hashtags. Now research and use popular and relevant hashtags. Include industry specific and trending hashtag in your video captions. You can also engage with the audience, responding to comments, engaging with followers, and build a sense of community on your profile. The more you interact with the audience, more likely they are to become customers. You can also collaborate with influencers. Now partners with TikTok influencer who align with your brand and product. Influencer can help you reach larger and most targeted audience. Now cross promotion on other social media. Share your TikTok content on other social media platforms to attract your existing followers to your TikTok profile and Shopify stores. Now consistency also matters. Now regularly posting content to keep your audience engaged and interested. Consistency can help build your brand presence on TikTok. Now remember that building a strong presence on TikTok takes time and effort. While organic traffic is free, it's essential to invest in creating high quality and engaging content that resonates with your targeted audience. In this way, you can advertise your Shopify store for free on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.